MSI MagForge 321R Airflow Review. Is this gaming PC case worth buying? Looking for a gaming PC case with strong airflow, good cooling support, and plenty of room for modern components? The MSI MagForge 321R Airflow is designed with exactly that in mind. But is it worth buying for your next build? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The MagForge 321R Airflow is a mid-tower case that supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. Its main highlight is airflow, thanks to the mesh front panel and 4 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans. If you need more cooling, the case supports up to 11 fans in total and can accommodate liquid cooling radiators up to 360mm at the front or top. There's also plenty of room for larger components. The case supports graphics cards up to 390mm long and CPU air coolers up to 160mm tall, although it's always worth checking the exact dimensions of your hardware. For aesthetics, you get a tempered glass side panel and ARGB lighting, while the top includes a removable magnetic dust filter. Connectivity is another strong point. The front I/O includes 2 USB Type-A ports and a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port, along with the usual audio connections. However, storage capacity is fairly basic compared with some larger cases, so this isn't necessarily the best choice if you plan to install lots of drives. Cable management can also become more challenging in a heavily packed build. Overall, the MSI MagForge 321R Airflow is a good option for gamers who want a modern-looking case with strong airflow, multiple included fans, and plenty of cooling flexibility. If you're building a high-performance gaming PC, it offers a useful balance of features without going into an oversized, full-tower design. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you'd choose the MagForge 321R Airflow for your build.